Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can join a guild in Capybara Go. So to join a guild you will need to clear chapter 4, and in the beginning of chapter 5, which would be Never Fall, you will see this message, new feature, guild feature unlocked. So when you tap on it, you will see the also arena will be unlocked as well. Tap on it to close. Also mount feature will be unlocked here as well. So when you press on the guild button at the left side, as you can see here, it will take you to this guild where you can apply. You'll see the members count. The maximum a guild can have is 32 members, so if they are empty positions you can apply for a guild. So you can enlarge a guild info by clicking on it, and you can see the members and everything. You can press join to join the guild. So as you can see, successfully joined guild. So that is all. So you need to memorize that you'll need to clear chapter 4 to join a guild. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.